So what we got here is a multi-zone clock with temperature display. So over here we've got 3 Ds 18B20 sensors. It's a 1-wire bus. There's a 5K6 pull-up. Okay, so you can have more than one of these on a bus because they have unique identities. So what the software does is it checks for the identities, then registers them as the 3 sensors in the code. It does it automatically, so it's basically plug and play. Or the RTC over here, the D is 1307. Then over here I've got the time, and I've got the values from the 3 sensors over there. So when I put my finger on the end one, we're going to see the temperature coming up. So that's sensor 3 there at the end. You can see it warming up. Okay, so that's a multi-zone thermometer with real-time clock and how to do it. If you need help with the code, ChatGPT will help you out. Simple as that. Right. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day further. We'll see you next time for more fun stuff. Thanks. Cheers.